Hola clase, soy Senora Group or Me llamo Senora Group. And today we are going to do a practice remote learning a lesson. I'm sure at some point during the school year, we are going to have to do some remote learning. So I want to make sure that you know what that looks like in la clase de español. So when we talk about remote learning in my class, there are 3 different places that you can access your remote learning. I would suggest using the one I show you first, but just know there are other ways to get to that assignment for the day. So because we don't want to miss learning in La Clase de Español, see? So the first one I would suggest is going to the calendar. When you click on the calendar, it's going to take you out and you're going to see for my class, whatever color that is for you, RL and then the date. So that means remote learning for 8/17/2020. The other thing you can do is you can go to modules. I have a module set up for remote learning for this school year. So you click on modules and then you just scroll till you find remote learning 2020-2021. It's named the same way, remote learning 8/17/2020. So calendar, modules, oh, can't find it. There it is. Modules, or from our homepage, you can click on today's lesson and assignment. So when I'm on our homepage, if we click on today's lesson and assignment, it's going to take us to our agenda slides. Now, our practice lesson happens to be on Lunes, so we can see that the link is right here. But if our practice lesson was on Wednesday, for example, then I would have to click to that slide. So calendar, modules, or going to our homepage and clicking on today's lesson and assignment. So that's the way you can access remote learning. Any of those will get you there. So I'm going to go back to the calendar and we're actually going to look at what you're going to do today. So I'm going to click on the remote learning for 8/17/2020. And it's going to show you bienvenidos, which means welcome. It's going to have the remote learning and then the date for that remote learning. You're going to see my email address, and that's linked so that if you have questions, you can send them to me. And then you're going to see these arrows, and underneath you will see a video. It's not there right now because I'm making that video. Then you can see that this assignment is due by Monday, August 17th at 11:59 p.m. I also may give you some further directions underneath that. And this says to view the Google slide presentation before taking the quiz. So you're going to click through this Google slide presentation, use your notes to help you figure out any words you don't understand, and then you're going to come down here to the Take the Quiz button. You'll take the quiz. Now, when you go out to the quiz, you will still be able to see this Google slide presentation. So feel free to go back into it to check your answers. Also, feel free to use your notes. That's not cheating. It's good practice for you to continue to make connections between that classroom vocabulary in Spanish and in English. When you finish the quiz, hit submit, and then you will see your score. If you need anything, remember I am in class with you today for this one, but you will still need to either send me a message via email or send me a message through Canvas inbox. Buena suerte, mis estudiantes. Adios.